A house for Hippo. One day Hippo said,
All my friends have houses. I should also have a house. But I don't know how to make a house.
I will help you, said Sparrow. She made a nest on a tree. There is your house, she said. Hippo slowly climbed up the tree and jumped into the house. Crash! Hippo was on the ground.
I will show you how to make a house,
said Rabbit. He dug deep into the ground.
This is your house,
said Rabbit. Hippo jumped in. He got stuck. Just then, Elephant walked by. He pulled Hippo out of the hole.
I will tell you how to make a house,
said Elephant.
A house should have a strong floor.
No, said Giraffe. A house should have a high roof. No, said Snake. A house should be very long.
Strong floor,
said Elephant. High roof, said Giraffe. Very long, said Snake. Hippo walked away in anger. He came to the river and jumped into it. The river had a strong flow. It was long. It had a roof as high as the sky. The river was just right for him. Hippo had found his house. He lay in the river and enjoyed himself.